again.
Hello, you're welcome to my channel today. My name is Epsi Ashalu. I'm a content writer, a blogger, and an affiliate marketer. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, now is the right time to do that. This will help you to get notifications whenever I drop a new video. Now go ahead and do so. Thanks for subscribing. In today's video, we'll be learning about blog topic generator, how you can generate topic ideas, for your content. You need to generate good topic idea that will enable your audience to click on your title and read your content. Now, if you are ready, let's get to it.
You are welcome to another content writing tools that will help you to boost your writing skill online. This is a blog topic generator. Coming up with blog topics is not an easy task. Sometimes you just can't find a suitable topic for the article you want to write. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Potent Idea Generator to generate lots of topic ideas for your blog. Now let's start with an example. This is a link. It will be in the description box below. Potent.com tools title maker. So now, supposing we are in the dating niche and we want to write an article about dating, you just put in dating, then you click on generate idea. Now you can generate as many ideas as you want. This is the first one. How psychics predicted dating. No, really. Sometimes the topic doesn't really may not go well with the idea that is generated, or you can keep generating it until you find a suitable topic for your blog post. So when you click on see another title to bring another one for you, the simplest ways to make the best of dating. This is a good title. Then how dating could make anyone a better parent. Okay. 6 reasons dating is sweeter than Christmas morning. That's another one. How dating make you a better lover. That's another good one. The 15 best resources for dating. This is a good one. So you can keep on trying, clicking on see another title to come up with more and better blog topic that you can use for your blog post. Now, when you're done, you can, if you want to change to another subject, you click here. But you can also save your idea or tweet the blog topic idea that you just generated. So if you want to save it, you click on Add. Then you're allowed to either delete from the list or tweet the idea. Now, if you want to start another one, you can click on new idea. Then you start all over again and use fitness this time around, or let's say work from home. Generate idea. How work from home are making the world a better place. That is a good one. The 10 biggest work from home blunders. Another good one. 8 unexpected ways work from home can give you a better hair. Don't know about this one. Let's get another one. The unconventional guide to work from home. So this is another good one. So with these two, you can't lack idea for blog topics. You can always bring your the main topic of your blog and type it in, and then it will give you different kind of uh, topics that you can use to write blog posts on your blog or on your website. If you have any question, let me know in the description box below. I also have different types of content writing tools you can check out on my channel so that you get acquainted with each and every one because they will really help you to become a better writer. And if you
In this video, you have learned how to generate high quality topic for your content. If you have any question on this topic, write them down for me in the comment section below. I will attend to them. Also check out other tools you can use for content creation. There are links in the description box below leading to other content writing and editing tools you can use to make content creation easier and faster for you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, now is the time to do so. Thanks and have a great day.